The partner settings. So to get to the partner settings, click any of these: course, marketing funnels, email broadcast, communities, site or live. They will all take you to a menu, and on the left hand side you will see partner program. Simply click this, go to partner settings, and you'll be brought to the partner settings page. So in here we have your unique code. This is your referral code, and it is here. And you'll also notice that this same code is using the partner URL as well. You'll see that you have a tier 1 commission of 40%. So commissions percentage for direct referrals. This is people that come into you, through you. And then we have a second tier commission, which is a second level commission percentage on your referrals signing up someone who then upgrades. Remember, these are all for people that upgrade to the Pro or the Premium plan. As long as they do, through your partner link, you will receive the correct commission, either tier 1 or tier 2. Next, we have the partner URL. The URL is used to refer a site. So whenever you are asking people to sign up for Zenler, whenever you're doing this, use your partner URL. This is really, really important, and that means that it will then track if they upgrade, you will receive the 40%, and if they get someone in and they upgrade, you will receive a further 5%. And remember, this is for life. Now, on the last thing down here, we have a partner badge, and this is a badge that shows on your site. Some of you may wish to turn this off or leave it on. If we look at the site here, you can see there's a powered by badge. If anyone clicks this powered by badge and then they sign up for Zenler and upgrade, you will receive 40%. This is why some of our course creators leave the powered by button on. If I click this, you will see it will go through to the new Zenler sign up page, but it will have your referral URL in the link. Let's click this, and you notice your referral link has been captured here. This means that if a new user signs up and then they upgrade, you will receive that tier 1, and if they sell it, then that you will receive a further tier 2, 5%. So some people leave the badge on, others like it off to keep their site all fresh and in their own colors. And this is really easy to do. You just need to make sure you're in the partner program, partner settings, and simply turn off the badge. Now, if I refresh the page, the powered by Zenler badge will disappear. There we go. So, last things to tell you is this is the URL that you send out to everybody, and this will then give you that referral commission. So if I copy this and I go into incognito, you're going to notice that it will come up with your actual referral link. And again, this works the same way as the powered by badge. If someone buys into this at Pro or Premium from the sign up, then you will receive the tier 1 payout at 40%. This is how the partner settings work inside of your partner program within Zenler.